years is not a joke. Yes, right now you can own your own property without breaking the bank. I introduced you to Lekki Havana Phase 1, but today we are officially launching our new baby, Lekki Havana Phase 2. But guess what? The good news about this is, sure, now you can own your own investment, your own property with just a minimum of 5 million naira initial deposit. And the best part of it is it comes with a mortgage plan. Yes, mortgage plan. That means you can own this unit as low as 5 million naira and spread your payment within either 5 years, 10 years, or even 15 years. But don't forget, 5 million naira initial deposit is all you need to invest. And this property is close to a lot of good infrastructure